Hey gadget lovers, ready to transform your space? Which of these coolest room gadgets will become your next obsession? Stick around to find out. The Rux Robot is a versatile desktop companion with an integrated Android system, offering endless customization through an open-source platform. It engages users with evolving personalities, dynamic conversations, and interactive responses. Equipped with ChatGPT integration, it serves as an intuitive voice assistant. Rux explores your workspace, enhancing creativity with magnetic antennas and 1600-watt circular lights. Its sleek design and charging pad make it a stylish addition to any desktop, offering smooth multitasking for work and play. The 8-bit Do Retro mechanical keyboard combines nostalgia and modern functionality with Bluetooth, 2.4 grams, and USB-C connectivity. Featuring 87 keys, hot swappable Kale box switch, view white, and die sub-pet keycaps, it delivers a responsive typing experience. The dual super buttons allow instant customization without software. Compatible with Windows and Android, it supports N-key rollover and has a classic power status LED. The ultimate software too enables custom keyboard mapping, making it perfect for gaming and everyday use. The WYRMWOOD modular desk reinvents the workspace with customizable features like cubbies, drawers, and shelves. Its sit-stand functionality, supported by a powerful motor, promotes ergonomic use. Crafted from premium hardwoods and made in the use of this elegant desk enhances productivity and gaming experiences. The WYRMWOOD magnetic rail offers diverse accessory options, and thoughtful cable management ensures a tidy setup. With its inspiring design and limitless configurations, the modular desk is both functional and visually striking. The COUCHMASTER CYCON² Black Edition is the ultimate couch gaming USB hub desk, designed for PCs 4 or 5, Xbox One or Series X, offering ergonomic comfort for couch and bed setups. Its adjustable board accommodates any body size, and its 3-part construction allows easy storage. With premium quality and 6 USB 3.0 ports, it ensures maximum comfort and tidy cable management. Patented ergonomic design with memory foam cushions promotes a back-friendly posture, while its recycled plastic desktop and washable cover enhance sustainability. Includes practical extras like side pockets and comes with a free mousepad. The OMOOSPACE Pro is a versatile 5-in-1 phone accessory that functions as a phone mount, wallet, kickstand, grip, and continuity camera holder. Designed for seamless multitasking, it enhances productivity by positioning your phone alongside your main screen. Featuring dual-sided MagSafe for secure attachment, it adapts to various environments with a sleek, lightweight design. Perfect for laptops, iPads, or any display, it offers an ultra-stable kickstand and ergonomic grip for comfortable use. Also available in a lighter, thinner OMOOSPACE Lite version crafted with premium PU leather for durability and style. The AQARA 2K Indoor Security Camera E1 delivers crystal-clear surveillance with a 2304 by 1296 pixel sensor and 360 degrees viewing angle. Featuring HomeKit secure video support for privacy protection and local recognition, it includes a pan and tilt mechanism and privacy mode. With options for 24-hour encrypted cloud storage or microSD card up to 512 grams B, it supports advanced Wi-Fi 6 connectivity and DIPA 3 security standards for enhanced performance and data protection. Ideal for smart home integration with Alexa, HomeKit, and IoT platforms. The NIXIE IV18 fluorescent tube clock blends retro charm with modern technology. Housed in a CNC aluminum alloy case with a sandblasted surface, it offers a minimalist design. This digital tube clock supports 12 by 24 hours, 2 sets of alarms, and features RGB ambient lighting. Equipped with a high-precision clock chip, it ensures accuracy within seconds per year. Perfect as a gift, it comes packaged in a simple gift box, preserving its timeless appeal. The Keep Intelligent Storage by Keep Labs offers discrete storage with cutting-edge biometric security. It hides essentials in plain sight, accessible only via face and fingerprint scans through its companion app. This award-winning design features real-time anti-tamper alerts, along with intuitive monitoring of time, internal temperature, and humidity. Ideal for medications, it ensures optimal storage conditions. Portable with a 12-hour battery life and easy to clean, blending seamlessly into any room with its cool, dry, and secure build. The POSTUREUP WAVEPADS are ergonomic memory foam wrist rests designed for laptop and keyboard users. Developed to alleviate wrist pain and carpal tunnel discomfort, they feature a patented scoot, wedge-shaped design that promotes proper alignment and pressure distribution. Made from high-density memory foam with a satin fiber cover, they offer adhesive-free repositioning and full trackpad access. Ideal for home workers and gamers alike, WavePads provide comfortable support during extended typing sessions, endorsed by their physical therapist designed, patented construction. The HAGIBIS keyboard wrist rest pad support features ergonomic soft memory foam with a desktop partition storage case. Crafted with preferred leather fabric and high-quality sponge filling, it offers a delicate feel and resilience against deformation. Designed to mitigate wrist fatigue, its anti-slip silicone base ensures stability during typing. Available in classic black and white, it's perfect for gamers, office workers, and students needing comfort during long PC, laptop, notebook, and computer sessions. The Focus Timer is an adjustable hourglass designed for time blocking and productivity enhancement. Suitable for Pomodoro technique users and meditation practitioners, it offers intuitive time setting with a frictionless operation. Simply flip to start and reset. Featuring gentle light indicators and a soothing sound upon completion, it supports focused work without distraction. This minimalist device includes an integrated volume adjusting button and enhances creative flow with its elegant, no moving parts design. The LUDELA Candle Starter Kit redefines candlelight with its real flame ambience controlled by a touch of a button. It eliminates wax mess with long-life liquid paraffin cartridges, burning cleanly and scent-free for over 50 hours per cartridge. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it includes a remote for instant ignition, extinguishing, and timer settings. Designed for safety, it self-extinguishes if touched or tilted, providing worry-free illumination and a serene ambience for any setting. The ALEN BREATHESMART 45i air purifier with HEPA Pure filter is ideal for large rooms up to 1,600 square feet, effectively capturing 99.9% of allergens and pollutants as small as 0.1 micron. It's endorsed by Sleep Score Labs for enhancing sleep with its ultra-quiet pink noise operation. Featuring smart sensor technology, it adjusts fan speed based on air quality and provides color-coded feedback for easy monitoring. Perfect for bedrooms and living spaces, it ensures clean, fresh air throughout your home. The CYBERPUNK RGB desktop clock combines futuristic aesthetics with functionality. Featuring adjustable RGB LED lighting, it allows personalized customization for any space. Equipped with an independent timing chip, it supports power-off timing to maintain accuracy. Versatile backlight adjustments include upper, lower, and chip lights with customizable colors. Its sleek design enhances any esports enthusiast's desk, offering easy operation and a strong sense of technological sophistication. The CESDAP C3 Pro Foldable 6-in-1 charging station simplifies charging with a fast wireless charger, digital alarm clock, and adjustable night light. Compatible with iPhone 15 or 14 or 13 or 12 or 11 and Samsung Galaxy series, it supports AirPods and Apple Watch charging. Safety is paramount with 18 watts fast charging, temperature control, and multiple protection features. This stylish station includes a digital display alarm, touch-controlled night light, and comes complete with an adapter and Type-C cable, making it a thoughtful and functional gift for home or office. Goodbye for now. Which of these room-transforming gadgets caught your eye? Don't miss out on upgrading your space. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more.